So manipulation of formula. What does make x the subject of a formula? So watch this. If I had, we'll keep it nice and simple. 4 is equal to, let's say, 2 plus x. Make x the subject. So if you're the subject of conversation, that means everybody's talking about you. So make x the subject. So that simply means, will you please move x to the left and make the formula as easy as possible. So you want x to be on its own, basically. That's what you want. So an easy way of leaving x on its own is to move that 2 across. Don't mind, look it up. Move the 2 across, it becomes minus 2. So leave x, make x the subject of the formula. It means will you leave x on its own, either on the left or the right hand side. I don't want a 2x, I just want x. So 4 minus 2. So x is the subject of this formula. X is on its own. You can write it like this either. We're used to writing x on the left hand side. Alright, so to make x the subject of the formula, just what is x basically? Alright, another example. So make, in this case, make a the subject of the formula. So 4a plus 3 is equal to 7. So we want just a on the left hand side. So that means we move plus 3 across, becomes minus 3. 4 times a is equal to 4, and then we want a to be on its own, so we want to get rid of the 4. What do we normally do? Divide by the thing that I want to get rid of is 4, so divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So a is equal to 1. Another example. 3r, that gets slightly harder. 3r is equal to r minus 4. Make r the subject. So I want r on the left hand side on its own, or the right hand side on its own, basically. So 1r. What is 1r? So in this case, I need to move, this is a 1r. I move the 1r across, so I've got 3r minus 1r is equal to minus 4. 3r minus 1r, 2r is equal to minus 4. Now I want to get rid of the r, or the 2, sorry, so I divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2. So r is the subject of the formula. R is on the left hand side. Alright. Another one. Again, make r the subject of the formula. So that means t needs to be on the left, r needs to be on its own. That's all we really need to do. So that's a 1r again, similar to the last one. 3r, bring the 1r across, and it's minus 1r. It's equal to minus 4t. Now 3 minus 1 is 2r is equal to minus 4t. Now what do you do here? Divide both sides. You want to get rid of the 2 sitting up. You want to get rid of the 2. Divide by 2, so. So here you have 2 divided by 2, 1, r is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2t. So r is equal to minus 2t. Another one. In this case, x, make x the subject of the formula. 3xy. Okay. Now, just pay it, this is slightly different, slightly harder. The object, this is the object containing the x. Well, we'll treat it as one full object for now. And we'll move everything else across. So we've got equal to 9, and move the y across, minus y. Now I'm going to rearrange this slightly. Watch, look up. So this is 3 times x times y. So I can rewrite this, I can write it as 3 times y times x, can't I? So that's 3y. 3y times x, same thing. Right, how do I get, what do I need to get rid of now? I need to get rid of 3y. So what do I divide both sides by? I want to get rid of 3y. Divide both sides by 3y. 3y divided by 3y is 1. 1x. X is equal to 9 minus y over 3y. Right, that last step was important. Getting rid of the 3y. Right, another one. For a plus, and there's a b there, so I'll make b the subject of the formula. So b on its own. So again, the object that contains the b, I'm going to leave it on the left hand side. And so I'm going to move the 4a across, and it becomes minus 4a. Alright, what do I need to get rid of? I want b on its own. I want to get rid of 3a. Divide both sides by 3a. 3a divided by 3a is 1. So b is equal to 7 minus 4a over 3a. Okay? And might as well do one more while we're at it. It'll help the person who left earlier. Okay, so right, I'm going to isolate r on the right hand side first. It doesn't matter which side, so you don't mind looking up. So this is easy enough one. So r, I've got 3p plus t over there, and I just need to move the minus 4t across. Bring it across. Right, I'll just move the minus 4t across and it becomes plus 4t. Okay, so r is equal to 4t plus 3p plus t.